Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The result of mechanical up degree concerning thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been wonderful, particularly for digital currencies. The individuals who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the people who neglect to coordinate speed with the feeling, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One such name is Sushiswap. The ongoing business sector rank is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually solid and accessible at lower cost, upgrading the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of Sushiswap, Sushi, has taken care of the reliable ascent sought after of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed their power in the possession of financial backers, expanding the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the Sushiswap cost forecast, let us view a portion of the remarkable elements of Sushiswap. Sushiswap price prediction, following Master's footsteps. Taking a gander at the steady upsurge in the cost of Sushiswap, it merits seeing how the value diagram of Sushiswap has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered useful benefits. Sushiswap works with gains, however constructs trust. Sushiswap's portion-empowered comfort as well as supports confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, conveying different decentralized app capabilities as powerhouses and suspected pioneers. Subsequently, in the long haul, Sushiswap, Sushi, may have a huge fan base which will assist it with arriving at new highs. According to the ongoing value pattern and specialized markers like relative strength file, Sushi cost could record a colossal cost flood above $30 in the forthcoming years. Sushiswap price prediction 2022. Nonetheless, since the Sushi/USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, moderately keeping a low exchanging movement may not be supportive of Sushiswap, as new coins cost are essentially added to the dissemination, weakening the stock. Seeing the 100% return as significant, there are negative opinions winning that diminish additional expectations of cost increment, pushing Sushiswap to $8.50 start of the year 2022. The typical cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. Sushiswap price prediction 2023. The capability of Sushiswap is additionally encouraged by the powerful help region presented by well-off Chinese business visionaries. Being discussed consistently, the costs of Sushiswap have shown dynamism and variance all the while. Yet again, subsequently taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value expectations, and help from the proprietorship, the resource cost might flood because of careful arranging technique, being vertically at $12 by 2023 end. Sushiswap, Sushi, price prediction 2024. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of Sushiswap misses the mark concerning a forceful organization binge which can be accomplished as future outcomes and somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. An uplifting cost expectation conjecture for the later long stretches of 2023 and 2025 demonstrates that the value change of Sushi/USD is ready for an astounding excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. Sushiswap, Sushi, price prediction 2025. Sushiswap specialized examination and Sushiswap conjecture likewise show markets will astonish its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. Sushiswap price prediction 2026. While the vital improvements have affected the Sushiswap, Sushi, cost pushing them in a positive heading, the digital currency market is by all accounts holding much more commitment in the years to come. The main obstacle in the method of the thriving of Sushiswap digital money is huge reliability on decentralized applications, at which the costs are absolutely subject to advertised development. The cost is anticipated to reach $17 in the drawn-out in the year 2026. Consequently, it is a right speculation counsel. As per the specialist's own exploration, the Sushi yield arrived at 1,500% in 1 year. The need to acquire Sushi tokens to partake in the pool additionally checked positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021. Standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22, Sushi is supposed to be bullish till this year end. At the hour of composing the Sushiswap cost forecast, the coursing supply waits around 127,244,443 Sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. Sushiswap, Sushi, unlocking the potential. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity too. The whole foundation of Sushi rotates around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing Sushi, they can in any case profit from the fractional procuring, receiving an attractive benefit. This element of Sushi outperforms any remaining benefits of this crypto resource that makes certain to crown it as a jewel in the realm of computerized monetary forms. Check here are other crypto cost forecasts. Is Sushiswap, Sushi, a wise speculation? In view of Sushiswap cost forecasts, and actually yes. As per essentials of unwavering quality and hearty openness of liquidity, Sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole cryptographic money world. On a critical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will unquestionably stand firm feet on the ground. Financial backers and dealers can begin exchanging, and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushiswap coin cost reach $50? Outstanding or touchy development. According to the momentary Sushiswap cost forecasts, Sushi coin cost might be a distortion, particularly in light of the fact that because of pandemic the vast majority of the cryptographic forms of money have endured a terrible shot. The equivalent is valid for Sushiswap as well. Notwithstanding, the token has huge potential, thus the expansion and development is hopefully anticipated. Now that the pandemic is retreating, it would continuously be incredible information for Sushi holders as well, and it very well may be the most exorbitant cost. What are the Sushi reward programs? These are the best icings to be appreciated with Sushi. These prizes make Sushi a charming purchase. Normally, financial backers and merchants all over the planet get urged to put resources into the brilliant possibilities related with it. Encircled by numerous partnerships, Sushiswap additionally extends its base with special measures. Client is ruler in Sushiswap's reality, and the marking programs present to clients prizes and money bonuses through rivalries as well. I can't move my Sushi to trade in time. What to do? With Sushiswap you are guaranteed of trade supporting the move.